It's your boy Jay Will back with another quick video. First off, I want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas. I hope you guys having fun with your family, open up gifts. I have a very good business opportunity for you guys. It's simple, just mailing out postcards and you get paid unlimited income. The harder you work, the more income you're gonna make. These are the postcards you guys will be mailing off. You'll get sent 200 postcards with the company. You put your ID right here in this corner. Buy some stamps and mail them off to people who's already interested in making money at home. It's simple. More information on the back. On my way to the post office now on Christmas Day to mail these off. We're at the post office on this Christmas Day. Mail these off. Nice and simple and easy. Let's go. Now just let the system work itself. So yeah, I want you guys to stay focused, keep grinding. Follow me on Instagram at JWillTV. You can message me, DM me. You know, I'll be with the family all day. I'll message back. You know, let's keep getting this money, man.